Now, how to write insert queries in function and how to pass parameters to that function. So all those things we will discuss now. First of all, we will write one function for inserting the data and what kind of validations we can put at database level, we will see. So create or replace function fn underscore insert employee. So for employee table, we have 4 columns: EMP number, e-name, salary, department number. Okay. So EMP number, e-name. So already we have discussed types of parameters: input, output parameters, in-out parameters in previous sessions. So for this function, I am taking just input parameters. Okay. E-name. I'm taking similar data types for columns. So varchar 10, varchar of 10, p underscore salary integer, p underscore department number integer. Returns table. So here status integer, message text. So message is keyword. Okay, if it is this color, then we are not supposed to use that as key name. Okay, so response message text. Language PL, PG, SQL. As so here I am passing these parameters. So if that employee number already exists, okay, that means if I pass employee number 3 as a parameter, then I supposed to get employee number 3 already exists. So this type of message I have to get. Okay, so I'm writing one condition: if exist, that means if not exist, so select employee where emp number equal to p underscore emp number, then begin and else begin and end if. Okay. Now if it is not exists, then I can write insert query employee emp number, e-name, salary, DPT number. Okay. So values. So just write the parameters. And observe this. Here, I want to get the serial number. Some people will name it as ID, row ID. Okay. So I want to get the serial number after inserting. Then return that serial number also. Serial number integer. Okay. So here returning serial number, and that serial number I want to store in one variable. This declare v underscore serial number, that is integer, into v underscore serial number, and after returning that you can write the select query, return query, and status 200, and message save success, and v underscore serial number. Okay, and if that employee number already exists, if it is not exist, then this block will be executed. If that employee number already exists, then it will go to else block. In else block, I'm going to give status 201, and I'm giving the response like concat employee number, so p underscore employee number already exist. Okay, so we will check at db level, select star from, and here you can pass, I will pass old values 3c 3020, 3c 3020. I mean, I am checking whether this employee number already exists or not. I am not checking remaining values. See, employee number 3 already exists. If I give employee number 4, then it will also return same thing. Okay, at this time serial number will be as null. Okay, if I give employee number 6, so which is not available in a table, then see 200 save success 73. Okay, you can check in table, serial number is 73. Okay, so this function is working fine. Now call this function, function controller. So, router dot post. So I'm giving function name, same function name. Let body equal to request dot body. And before that, use try catch. So res dot send new API response. So here 400 error dot message. So let result equal to await db pool dot query, and take this $1, 4 parameters. That's why $3, $4. And body dot emp number, body dot ename, body dot salary, body dot department number. Next, if first we will check console dot log result dot row count and result dot rows. Okay, so from this we can write the logic after that. Take this function name. See here, for my convenient purpose, I am giving same name for API method name and function name. Okay, as your wish, you can give. So, number 7, ename, salary 7,000 and department number 10. See, result dot row count I am getting 1 and result dot rows I am getting whatever the function is returning that. Okay, so here I can write if result dot row count is greater than 0, then res dot send new API. See, I am having status response message serial number, but in response class I am having status message, but there is no way of binding serial number. Okay, so I can take this one more response class, API response status message value. I'm taking this here, serial number, by default it is 0. This dot serial number equal to serial number. Sorry. So I'm taking serial number. So I'm taking this response and where it is here. So here I want to bind this response. Okay. So result better to have this response in one variable so that it will be easy. Let response equal to result dot rows of 0. Then I can, that response variable get this object only. Okay. Now I can write this response dot status here and response dot message. I mean response dot response message. So take this key name. It will get some confusion. Response object. And third parameter, response object dot SL number. So this I have to import. And next, else. Else means no data available message I will give. So take this here, status 201 and no data available. So here I am not passing anything because by default it is 0. So before that, before passing the values, just check this 7G. Okay. Now I'm giving 8 and employee name H, and this one is 8000, department number 10. So save success, and serial number is 75. 8H75. Okay. So if I pass again same values, then employee number 8 already exists and serial number is null. Okay. So whatever I am giving this, see in database, I am returning this serial number. Whatever it is, null will be there if that employee number already exists. Okay. For example, if you give 0 here in else block, then observe now. See, if it is 0. Okay. So employee number 8 already exists and serial number is 0. If you don't want to have serial number as null. Okay. So this is about writing insert query in a function and calling that function in API.